TakeTurns.com. TakeTurns.com.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to the Wealth Giant Academy. Hey, listen. I just wanted to spark some with y'all in this particular video about trading your time for dollars. That's not a good thing when you're trading your time for dollars, because time is very important. Your 24 hours is very, very important. I've had a discussion with a lot of people within the last couple of months, and a lot of people is kind of taken to YouTube and different things and talking about the same things. I've been talking about this for years, about working a job, whether it's 8, 10, 12, 14 hours a day, and you trading your time for money. When the best thing to do, and of course y'all know my number one and number two investments, and they're interchangeable as far as I'm concerned, is to invest your money in the real estate market and invest your money into the stock market to make your money work for you. See, one thing about it, when you're going to work every day, you clocking in at 7 or 8 o'clock, and then you're clocking out at 4 and 5 o'clock, your money stops right there. That's when your money stops. So you have to get up and rinse and repeat and do the same thing going into a job that you probably don't like. You probably don't like your boss. You probably want to slap the hell out of them. You're probably getting disrespected. And you may have a 401k, and that's a good thing. Nothing wrong with a 401k. But the main key is to create generational wealth and to create cash flow. The way to create cash flow is to stop working for your dollar so much, but take your dollar and let that dollar work for you. Like I got within my webinar course, my real estate webinar course, I talk about how to use your job to basically gas your investments. Work your job. Definitely do your job. Do the best you can do. But don't use that money, or excuse me, let me back up. Don't allow someone else to use your money, like the bank, and you're not using your money. Take that job. And I know you got to pay bills. I understand that. People got to pay bills. We got to live. We got to eat. But take that particular, at least a certain portion of that money, invest it in the stock market, invest it in real estate, in learning how to wholesale houses, and learning how to buy and flip houses, and learning how to buy and hold and to build a rental portfolio for yourself and your family. Me, I'm not working for myself, because I'm buying my time back. I bought a lot of my time back by investing, by learning, by understanding the stock market, understanding bearish and bullish markets, how the money work, how to stop being a consumer. Instead of me wearing Nikes, everybody know I love Nikes. I love retro Jordans. But guess what? I also own a part of the Nike company, by owning shares of Nike. I own shares of Nike. And guess what? This is the funny thing about it. If I go pay, say $300 for a pair of retro Jordans, or I pay $120, $110 for some Air Force Ones, guess what? The average out cost, that Nike stock costs less than that. So the stock, we're talking about a share of a major company, costs less than its actual products. Gucci, a lot of these particular companies, Birkin, their stocks cost less than the actual product. You're going to be paying $10,000, $15,000 for an ugly Birkin bag, when you can go buy Birkin stock. You can go buy 10, 20, 15 Birkin stocks and watch your money run up. Once you buy that Birkin bag, the value drops. You know what I mean? Or that Louis bag, or that Gucci bag. The stocks are actually lesser than the actual product that you're buying, being a consumer. And that's a problem with us. We got to stop us. When I say us, I'm specifically talking about black people here. But a lot of white people are just actually consumers too. You got to get off that mindset, and you got to get on the money investment train. So your time is very important. The 24 hours or 23 and 50 some minutes we have in a day is very important. Guess what? Like I said, when you clock out of that job, your money stops until you get back up the next morning and go back to work. But if you got your money into a company like Nike, their money never stops. That's like getting a robot soldier to work for you while you sleep. While you sleep at home, taking a shower with your family, guess what that money doing? That money is still working for you on the clock. When the stock market opens at 9:30 and closes at 4 every day. But guess what? After that market closes at 4:30, that money's still moving in the after hours. That's what we call the after hour market. Even before 9:30 a.m., before the market opens, there's a pre-market movement. That money is working for you every hour, every second of the day. Invest in stock market. Invest in real estate. Make sure also that you subscribe to this particular channel. Hit the like button, hit the notification key so you can get my videos when they come out fresh off the press. And look forward to getting my real estate webinar. And I also have a stock club that I'm about to start too, but I'm releasing my real estate webinar soon with over 30 videos, my own ebook that goes step by step with y'all on how to wholesale, how to get this money, because that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get this money. So, but money ain't the main key. Wealth is the main key. Money is only a catalyst to build the wealth. That way you can do what you want to do, get your own time. You see what I'm doing? I'm sitting at my house, smoking premium cigars. This is what I'm doing with a cup of ice cold water. This is what I'm doing. Ain't in nobody job clocking in. Ain't gonna be nobody job clocking in. Why? Because I bought my time back. And that's what I want you to do. And the Wealth Giant Academy gonna help you do that. So like I say, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you know, catch y'all in Island Jamaica somewhere, Haiti, wherever y'all want to go, man. I don't know. Calabasas, it don't matter. We're gonna be able to do it because we ain't gonna have to clock in nobody's job. You know what I mean? Make sure. Tell them you heard that from the Wealth Giant. Enoch the Wealth Giant. I see y'all inside the webinar, man. It's coming soon. Oh, yep. Like I say, just stay tuned. Just stay tuned. It's coming.